How to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application just to make sure that you have the updated version of Facebook application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. So as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So we're just going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on Facebook. Now tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So select on that. Then clear the cache and tap on OK. After that, you can just go to your Facebook account and then make sure that you have your professional mode on. And if that doesn't work out, then you can just make a long press on power button, tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might definitely work for you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.